Hey, so if you want a faster, more personal way to communicate, yeah, video messaging with Tella is a great option. Instead of typing long messages, you can just record and send. Let me show you how to do it step by step. First, go to Tella and log into your account. If you're new, just sign up. It only takes a minute. Once you're in, click on New Video to start your video message. Now decide what you want to record. For simple messages, just use your camera. For explanations, you can record your screen too. Make sure your microphone and camera are turned on so your message is clear and personal. Click record, and after a short countdown, start speaking your message. Keep it natural, like you're talking to a person. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can record in clips and redo just that part. After recording, trim any mistakes or pauses to keep your message short and clear. You can also add zoom or layouts if you recorded your screen. Click Finish, and Tella will generate a shareable link for your video message. Now just copy the link and send it through email, Slack, WhatsApp, or anywhere you communicate. You can use video messaging for feedback, quick updates, tutorials, or even client communication. So yeah, that's how to use Tella for video messaging. It's faster, clearer, and way more personal than text. If this helped, check out more guides like this.